Hey guys, what's up? Luke here, and today I'm going to be doing the craziest thing. You probably already can see it in the title. I don't know I haven't decided what the title will be, but I'm going to be installing a virus on purpose on my computer just to see what happens. Now, before you freak out and say how stupid I am, I'm doing it in a virtual machine, so this will not affect my actual computer. It's just a fresh install. I'm doing Windows 7, and then if that doesn't work, I'll try Windows 10. Maybe we'll see if Windows 7 is more secure than Windows 10 or not. So, we'll go ahead and get to the computer. I've already found a file that I'm going to attempt to install. It looks fishy. I found it from a fishy website, so we'll see what happens. So, to the computer. My Dell XPS 13 loaded with Windows 10, and I have a virtual machine down here. Right here. And what's going on? Alright, there we go. And I named it Virus. I've also got a Windows 10 virus operating system testing bench. So we'll go ahead and hit start to start up the operating system. And we're booting. And we've got the starting Windows. So I'll be back. Okay, so we're booted to the Windows 7 home screen. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the downloads folder where I placed my file. This is like supposed to be a screensaver file, and apparently there's supposed to be viruses hidden in these usually. And as you can see, it's coming up as application, and this should not be coming up as an application. So we're going to double click this. This is a horrible idea. Never do this unless you want your computer completely destroyed. So, well, actually not completely destroyed. You can fix that. But so it says this is going to install another Matrix screensaver. Do you wish to continue? This is already looking like a virus. So we'll just hit next, 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 and install. And we'll hit finish. And well, it looks like when you try and look for viruses, you end up with something that's not a virus. So we'll just go look on the internet again, go to some fishy website and see if we can find some virus-ridden file. So I'll be back when I find a file. Okay, so finally we hit, well, we got a virus. It says the internet security and do not restart your PC and whatever. So if we close, it just keeps popping up. Now we'll attempt to see if we can get rid of this. The most obvious is Control-Alt-Delete. Well, that's a virtual machine, so that's not gonna work. So we have to open Task Manager, and we're gonna try and end task. And we'll hit end now. See what happens, and it restarts. So it looks like we have successfully installed a virus. I don't know if that's good in people's opinion, but we successfully completed our mission. So now, to prove that this was a virtual machine, simply hit close and power off my machine. And we're back to my Windows 10 desktop home screen. Everything is perfectly running. So that's how you purposely, or what happens when you visit websites to try and get viruses. You get them. Okay guys, so I know this was a little bit weird of a video, but I was just like thinking about videos, and I was just like, what happens if I just purposely install a virus on my laptop? So I guess that worked. I went around, I turned off the firewall. Of course it's Windows 7, so it's an outdated version and stuff. But we did successfully get it. The first attempt was just a legitimate program that looked like a virus. I don't know about that, but it could have been a virus, really. So yeah, definitely make sure not to do this at home. I mean, like, I'm going to say this again, do not do this at home. I have a virtual machine which is isolated, like a separate, it's virtual, so it's not an actual computer, and I can delete that and get rid of it immediately, and it won't, that virtual machine does not have access to my actual laptop, so I can't get the virus in my actual operating system. So make sure not to do this at home. But if you liked this video, make sure to slam the like button, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you know when I have more weird, wacky videos. Now, most of them are pretty normal, but yeah, and make sure to comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to tell me how stupid I am for installing a virus on my computer.